Are you ready for Try It 4? We're going to introduce a really different topic this week. We're going to start working with continuous data. Up till now, we've been working with categorical data, where the variables have all been measured in groups with labels and words. And now we're going to be using data that has been measured along a number line. It's been measured continuously, that's been measured in amounts, in numbers. The data set that we're going to use are drawn from the Academy Awards, the Oscars. So every year since 1929, the Academy of Motion Picture Arts and Sciences recognizes outstanding movies and actors. There are multiple categories of Oscar winners. We're just focusing on the men and the women that have won Best Actor in a Leading Role and Best Actress in a Leading Role. We've got this list of data that includes their name, their gender, the film for which they were awarded, their date of birth, the date that they were given the award, and we've also got their date of death and then some notes about each one. I grabbed this data off Wikipedia. I hope it's accurate. I think it's pretty accurate. So we're dealing with two main variables in this data set. We're going to be looking at gender, whether the actor or actress was male or female, and their age at award. We've got their date of birth, we've got the date of the award. We're going to figure out how old each of these were when they won the Best Actor or Best Actress. So let's think about some of the questions that we could ask this data, some of the story that this data could tell. Think about questions about how young or how old, or what is the average, or are there differences between groups? So we've got one variable that's categorical. We're going to use that as our predictor variable, gender, and we're going to look at the two groups and see if there are differences between those two groups on our outcome variable, the age at award. We're going to use this data set that's stored in Google Drive. You can follow the link to this. And we're actually going to stay in Google Drive for a bit. It's very like Excel. It has some differences. And I just want to show you some of the similarities and some of the differences so that your skills are more flexible. You have permission to view this data set, this Google Sheet. We're going to go ahead and copy it and paste it into a new Google Doc that you will be controlling, a Google Sheet. I'm going to use Command A, Control A to select all, Control C to copy, and then I need to create a new Google Doc. So under the File pull-down menu, I'm choosing New Spreadsheet, and I'm going to Control V to paste that data right there. Right away, let's just go ahead and make a copy of this raw data so that we're maintaining our raw data. It's still on my clipboard, so I can just come down to the sheets, and very much like Excel, I'm going to press that plus add sheet. I've got a new fresh sheet. I'm going to do Command and paste or Control and paste again. So I've got two versions of the same data. I'm going to call one of them my raw data, and I'm going to call one of them my visualization. So far, Google Sheets is working very much like Excel.